Most people get this wrong when they see payment proof online. They think a screenshot automatically means an app is legit. But here's the truth no one tells you. Payment proof can be real, but it does not always represent normal user results. In this video, you'll understand what Lucktastic payment proof in 2026 really means, how users actually get rewards, and how to tell the difference between real payouts and misleading claims. By the end, you'll know how to judge any reward app more carefully. Let's start with what Lucktastic is. It is a mobile scratch card style app where users play digital scratch games, complete offers, and sometimes enter sweepstakes to earn rewards. These rewards can include points, gift cards, or limited cash redemptions depending on availability. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you see payment proof online, it usually falls into three categories. First, genuine small rewards earned by real users over time. Second, promotional content shared by affiliates or marketers. And third, edited or outdated screenshots that don't reflect current app conditions. So yes, real payment proof does exist for Lucktastic. But the important detail is scale. Most verified users report small rewards, rather than large or frequent cashouts. Someone like Alex might use the app daily, and eventually redeem a small gift card, but it usually takes time and patience. But here's the problem most beginners miss. They assume payment proof means consistent income. In reality, Lucktastic is not designed for stable earnings. It is built around low-value rewards and chance-based outcomes rather than structured payouts. Now let's break down how rewards actually work. You earn by scratching cards, watching ads, and completing limited offers. Each action gives small points, but the conversion rate is very low. That means even active users may only see small rewards over long periods. This is where most people get confused. They see one viral video showing a payout and assume it is easy to replicate. But those results are often rare or based on long-term usage, not quick wins. For example, Jake might see someone claiming a $10 reward and expect similar results quickly. But after using the app, he realizes most earnings are much smaller and take longer to accumulate. So is Lucktastic payment proof real or fake in 2026? The answer is mixed. Real payouts do exist, but they are typically small and inconsistent. Fake or misleading proofs also exist online, which creates unrealistic expectations. The key takeaway is simple. Payment proof should not be used as a guarantee of earnings. It only shows that some users have successfully redeemed rewards, not that it is easy or scalable. If you are thinking about using Lucktastic, treat it as a casual entertainment app, not an income source. That mindset will help you avoid disappointment and confusion. If this helped you understand the truth behind payment proof, like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest app reviews.